In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw funds from Temu, the new method. If you are trying to understand how to access or withdraw your available balance, credits, or funds inside Temu, this tutorial will guide you through the process clearly so you can avoid mistakes and follow the correct steps from start to finish. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your PC, laptop, or mobile device. Once your browser is ready, go to the official Temu website. After the page loads, make sure you are signed in to the correct account where your credit balance or funds are stored. Once you are logged in, navigate to your account area by hovering over your profile or account section. From there, look for the option related to your credit balance and click on it to continue. After opening the credit balance section, you will be able to view your current available balance inside your Temu account. This area typically shows your transaction history, credits, and any applicable funds linked to your profile, so you can clearly see what is available. At this stage, it is important to understand that there may not always be a direct option to withdraw credits or funds from the platform. In many cases, Temu balances are designed to be used within the platform for purchases rather than being directly transferred out. If you do not see a withdrawal option available, the next step is to contact Temu's support directly through the platform. You can send them a message explaining that you want to withdraw your available funds and request assistance regarding the process. Once your message is submitted, you will need to wait for a response from the support team. They may review your account details and guide you through the next steps based on your region, account type, or available balance conditions. In some situations, support may provide instructions or alternatives for accessing your funds, such as applying credits during checkout or explaining whether a bank transfer option is available for your account. It is always important to ensure you are contacting support using the correct logged-in account so that they can properly identify your balance and provide accurate assistance. Using the wrong account may delay the process or result in incomplete support responses. And that is basically the updated method for checking and attempting to withdraw funds from Temu using the latest available process. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.